I assure you that you have been frying the chicken the wrong way all your life. With this trick you avoid burns and dirty pots. For this recipe we will use chicken thighs already well washed and with the skin removed. You can make this recipe with the part of the chicken that you like the most. In my case, my favorites are the thighs. To season, add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of dried oregano, a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, the juice of 1 lemon. He assured them that they will love this trick to prepare fried chicken. It is very easy to make and it is very crispy. Mix well to season all the chicken. Now let the chicken marinate for about 25 minutes. While marinating in a bowl add 5 tablespoons of corn flour. We also add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. And mix until incorporated. After the marinating time, we pass the thighs through the flour mixture to bread them. If you got this far it means that you are liking the recipe. Write me in the comments, I like fried chicken, and I will send you a greeting in the next video. This trick was taught to me by my grandmother. I asked her how she prepares it because her fried chicken is the best. Do it at home and then tell me if it worked for you. It is already breaded. We submerge the chicken in a glass of water and quickly take it to a pan with hot oil. It is important that the oil is very hot before frying it. Thus, the oil will not splash and they will not burn you and dirty the stove. Look how my hand passed and it didn't burn me. It shows that the oil does not splash. We let our chicken brown on both sides and do the same process with the rest of the chicken. Tell me from which country or city you are looking at us to send you a special greeting in the following video. And our fried chicken recipe is ready. Look how golden and crispy it looks. The best of all, it's how delicious and crispy it is. I would like you to rate our recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thanks for watching until the end. See you next time.